Hello guys, I'm just doing an impromptu working in my mixed media book. I'm having stress because I don't know what my plan is, but it's this book. So I have a couple pages that aren't really mixed media, but I'm wanting to get it more mixed media. What did I need? I need a spot for paint. So I'm just gonna go with it and see what happens. Trying to think if I want to put a color down. I'm trying to force myself into doing kind of grunge, a little bit of neutral colors versus the neons, just for right now. No promises for the future. Ooh, I did get a new computer because I needed a laptop. My laptop stopped working. So that will be useful because I'll do a test run. I'm gonna try to go live. I don't know if it's gonna work. So, because my phone is recording right now above me, and I need something next to me to see what you guys are saying. Because when I'm live, you can chat. There's live chat. You can ask questions. I can answer, that kind of thing. Which you might be familiar with that. So it's a tech thing. I ordered a computer on Amazon last week. I have it, but it's being returned because they sent me a refurbished one, which I don't know. Anyways, let me paint while I'm doing that. I'm trying to think. I don't know. I'm just gonna go with it because I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, that color's not gonna work. All right, so I just wanted to get a little bit of a color down. I don't mind that it's blended at all because I have no clue what I'm doing, so. Yeah, so refurbished. The thing is I paid for the new price, and then I got a refurbished one. So I contacted Amazon yesterday, and they tell me that it was like their outsourced sent it to me. I'm like, that's great. They're like, we can return it. Do you want us to send you a new one? I'm like, not you. Because I had no guarantee that you're gonna send me a used one again. It had fingerprints all over the screen. It was dirty. The front of it, I don't know, I'm complaining, but I'm talking and chatting, creating and chatting. The front of it, or on the top of the computer screen, or no, like the lid. Ooh, I like that, guys. That's just a random. It had like some label on it. Someone had like scratched off. It was just gross. So I got a different one today. I went to Walmart, so nothing fancy. $200 computer. Oops, I got dog hair in there. Let me see. What do I want to do here? I want a little more back color on there. Just a little. So let's see what happens with this. We shall see. Let me double check I'm in frame. Okay, so what I did before is I just put a layer of gesso on, since this is an old book. So I just sealed the pages with this gesso, just basic white gesso. And that gesso is a primer, in case you're not familiar, which I'm sure you guys are, but anyway, I digress. I think I'm just gonna mainly doodle on this page, see what happens. I brought a few mark making tools. So I got a medicine lid, lid to something else. I need to get adjusted here so I'm not crossing my plane every 5 seconds. Okay. I'm a messy crafter, you guys, so it's like so much easier just to paint outside. So I'm just I got this at Hobby Lobby. It's tempera paint, and it's just in gold. It's $5, this huge thing. It's great for flecking and leaving speckles. Right now I'm just using this lid and dipping in it with, who knows what's gonna happen. I have it everywhere though. Should we put a little more tissue paper? This is Tim Holtz tissue paper that somebody in a Happy Mail a while ago sent me some. Got another dog hair. I have dog hair everywhere, apparently. Just thinking, I don't mind covering up that gold. It's a-okay. because I'll just do more. Experimenting. That's why I love mixed media. You just never know what's going to happen. You just go for it. I'm just rubbing the gesso a little bit back on it. All right, we're done with the orange. That's a little too, that's enough orange for my liking. What other colors do I have? Ooh, I have brown. So I'll add brown in there. Oh, it's not open yet. Oh, you guys, yesterday I went to the tail end of a garage sale. She was done, but I got a humongous, I'll show you a picture. I'll try to add it to my screen to this video, but she gave me this, I think 100 paints this size, plus some scrapbook paper, which I haven't gotten to because it's at the bottom of the box. But anyways, it was I gave her $15. So yeah, that was exciting. I don't know, am I supposed to have a focal point? I was thinking about that, but I don't really know what I want to put on this page. You know, I like florals, so I did grab some of my doodles to maybe put one in here. But I like this one. I mean, I'm not like an experienced mixed media. I just play. So, do you have to have a focal point on both sides is the question? Or am I thinking too hard? I think I'm experienced with it, but I don't know the technical things that I'm doing. If that makes sense? It turns out, but I couldn't tell you like anything about it. Oh, my dog's moving my stuff. That looks all right. Let's see here. I want to kind of, I'm not gonna be able to do what I want to do with these right now because they're gonna be wet, but I was just gonna put a few boxes that I could outline because I love that look and I haven't really done that. I don't know why I did that line, I just felt like it. Just make some lines, make some marks. Okay, so everything's getting covered in this gold paint, so I gotta get it off here. Does this look bad? Should I not have done that? Whatever, okay. Let's see, I did bring black because I don't mind using a little bit of black. What are you guys up to today? It's like a billion degrees here. Again, like I think today it's like 86 or something. I don't know. I'm so over it. You guys, I'm so over it. I like to have my circles kind of, let's see, like hanging off a little bit. Do one more. Let's see. Oh, I feel like it needs another one. Let's do one down here. Is that good enough? I like to go crazy with my circles. Yeah, so use what you have around your house. It's so great. I don't have any really good circle stencils, and circles are my favorite mark to make. Let me see. I need my Poscas. I'm gonna turn this upside down so I don't put my hand in all that paint. Do you think I can pull this off right now? Yeah, I guess I could. This one I probably shouldn't have done this bottom one because it's kind of close to that plant, but oh, whatever. Let's see. I might put Should I do one of my fun stamps that will say like burn after reading? I don't know. I can't find my number stamp right now. I don't know where to put it. Let's see, 57. Okay. I mean, it's almost busy enough. Let's see. Okay. It's difficult when everything's wet. Let me think here. Oh, this is my gold that's kind of on the fritz. This one might work. This is from the Dollar Tree. It seems to, oh yeah. Just put a couple dots there. Maybe some in this corner. Let's see. I know what I'm gonna do at the end. I just wanna make sure I have everything down that I want. Let me think here. Yeah, I think that's enough. Oh, I might. Let's see. Just needs a little more color in there. I'm mixing a little, on accident, some brown and gesso, but it's whatever. Oh, I guess I got some black in there. All right. Kind of grunge. Okay. Grab a little more down here. Hi, Henry. You guys want me to turn the camera around and get the dogs? My living room's a mess, okay? All right. Henry, why don't you come here? Okay, so I have a paint drying system going on, so, and dirty floors. I just don't want to be judged, but this is where I dry my paint. Can you say hello? And yes, I have my Christmas tree out for the 3rd year in a row. Hi, buddy. Can you say hi? Can you say cookie? Can you say cookie, buddy? Are you tired? Sis says cookie. There's Sis. So yeah, this is like the, you know, my kids' living room, so there's lots of blankets and this. Sissy, say hi. All right, we'll get cookie. All right, you guys, I think I have enough on here. The only other thing I was gonna do is I have these Distress Oxide sprays. I'm gonna try to gently spritz, but you know, who knows? I'm gonna probably get this all on my table. Okay. That's enough, I guess, because I'm gonna use this one. I'm happy with this. This is busy enough for me. This one will kind of dims things out, so I don't want to put too much on there. This color, what is it? Antique linen. But yeah, so I'm just gonna let that dry. I think I'm good with that. And thanks for watching and being a member. It means a lot to me. See you later, guys. Just giving you a little insight on, this is my little craft section. I got carts everywhere. Since you guys are members only, I can reveal my total mess of a house. I'm working on it, okay? So this is where I sit and do my videos. But anyway, let's get back to the program.